Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about torque angle gauge, the angular torque. This is angular torque gauge. This can be used by attaching it to a breaker bar, L rod, T rod or any drive of half inch. First you have to lock the screw so that the outer housing of the gauge is locked with the inner socket, inner drive, and then you can start the torque from zero. This male side will be inserted into the socket and your half inch drive ratchet or any half inch drive will be connected to the upper side. This clip will be connected to your engine so that the accuracy of your angular torque is perfect. I have given the torque on Perkin engine cylinder head bolts and also on connecting rod bolts. You can see the video link in the end of this video.